Hello students, I'm sure all of you are doing well and you're anxiously waiting for the English class. Today I'm going to begin with an interesting poem entitled Rain on the Roof by Coates Skinny. Rain is not anything new to you. You have all experienced the rain and how the atmosphere looks like before it begins to rain and when it rains. So now let me read out this poem to you, followed by a short explanation. The humid shadows hover over the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreamers ere she let them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain, which is played up on the shingles by the patter of the rain. The poem Rain on the Roof talks about the poet's varied reactions to the sound of raindrops falling on the roof of his house. He says that the raindrops at night are like tears shed by the sad dark night. He loves to lie in bed and hear the rain falling on the roof of his room, because it gets back sweet memories of the past. He says that the sound of rain drops help him fall asleep and gives him sweet dreams. He has memories of his loving mother, who would put him